So obviously this is a big exhibit.
It has to be. It has to be.
Yes. So we do have a 80-foot long whale skeleton model in there. And that's kind of the jaw-dropping moment that people walk in and they think, I know about whales, they're big. But you see it and everybody goes, whoa.
There are so many social media clips that I see of people who have like in-person views of a whale, and they're like, same thing. I knew how big a whale was, but to actually see the size of it
and to stand next to it
is
its sheer size is absolutely incredible, of course. But what I really love about this exhibit is that we go so far beyond, wow, that's a big animal. Right?
Yeah.
So we learn about their feeding habits, their communication, their evolution. It really is a fully encompassing exhibit. That's a little something for everyone.
Yes.
You know, so there's some artifacts if you like the history. There's some games if you're a little bit more of a hands-on learner.
It's gonna be so much more. Kaylia, I was looking at everything you have. You have blue nails. You have a whale necklace.
Yes. Yeah.
You love whales.
We love whales.
My goodness. Now, what can guests learn just as far as the behavior of whales by visiting? And I want you to give me a fun fact. What is something that we never would have thought of as far as whales go?
Okay. So my favorite thing that I have learned is that whales were once land animals.
No, they weren't.
They were. They absolutely were.
How? How?
Come to the exhibit and I'll tell you all about it.
There we go.
We have a whole evolutionary line showing you how they evolved into the gentle giants that we know today. And that's actually what they're called, is gentle giants. They're very sweet creatures, usually solo, and they really need our protection. And the exhibit talks a lot about their past, but also their future and what we can do to help.
So you guys are going to be presenting this information for how long at the St. Louis Science Center?
So we're going to have the exhibit up until January 10th, 2027. So you got some time to come see us. Don't forget about us.
Yeah. And do we need tickets to go?
Yes. So you can get tickets. They're available on our website. On our website, you also find additional information like a new field trip package that we're offering for schools. So for those schools that want to dive a little deeper, if you will.
Yeah. And then we're just going to talk more about the St. Louis Science Center. You guys have so much more to offer. What else you got?
So that's what's great about the Science Center. There's a little bit of everything, right? Of course, I have to mention our new planetarium. I know we've talked about it, but I went and saw a show yesterday. It was absolutely incredible. And because the team knows I love whales, they actually showed me a whale constellation.
Oh, that's so cool.
But we have lots of hands-on learning opportunities in our makerspace down in our paleo lab. So wherever your interest lies, you'll likely find something with us.
You guys, you have to take a look at this exhibit. If you want to learn more about whales, apparently they used to be on land. It's crazy. You can do that at the St. Louis Science Center. They're going to be showing this Wednesdays through Mondays until January 2027. So you got some time to go and check this out, and you do need tickets. So head to that website on your screen. There's the location if you need the address, and give them a like and follow on social media if you want more information as well. Kaylia, thanks so much for coming on the show today.
Thank you. It's been great.
Studio STL will be right back. Don't change the channel.